So automotive production is all about high output while using the least amount of resources. Two good examples of these high output or high volume lines are battery cell and e-motor stator lines. Within these lines, speed is crucial, as in the faster the machines, the fewer machines you need to hit your production volumes. Bekov's PC-based control, which is faster than traditional PLC control, together with EtherCAT, which is the fastest field bus, play a crucial role in giving our customers a competitive advantage in the industry. Bekov's automation technology offers unmatched real-time capabilities together with reduced cycle time in the PLCs. So the automotive industry is going through a really interesting time where cost optimization and component reduction is key to survival. Looking at automotive production, control cabinets add the majority of the cost setting up new production lines, and it also uses very valuable floor space. Bekov has recognized this challenge, and we brought to market the first cabinet-free IP67 MX system, which allows our customers to eliminate control cabinets entirely, as well as reduce the commissioning time. So automotive production spread across a large area, and there's a large amount of controllers controlling all the processes and sub-processes. All these controllers need to be updated and maintained sporadically, which by and large is still a manual process. If you look at virtual PLCs, it essentially decouples the PLC control from the PLC control hardware, which allows customers to remotely deploy and update controllers as needed. Bekov is in a unique position that we've been doing this all along with PC-based control, and now with TwinCAT for Linux, we can allow our customers to deploy multiple PLCs in containers to high-power IPCs all around the process.